Hey guys, and welcome back to My New World Tech. I'm your host, Sam Gates. Today I am over at my sister's house, and we have a phone with a forgotten pin. So what we're going to do is we are going to reboot it. And if you can't turn it off, because you need the password or pin to turn it off, we're going to hold the down button and power button to power it off. So there we go. And we're going to factory reset it by pressing up button, big speed button, and the power button. And there we go. Now we're in bootloader mode. Now what we're going to do is we are going to wipe cache partition. Hit yes there. And then we are going to wipe data factory reset there. It gives you a warning there on the bottom.
Why are you going in the washroom?
So let's factory reset it here. And you'll see it factory resetting. Down at the bottom it says data wipe complete. Now we just reboot system, and your phone will be like new. The more data you have on the phone, the longer it'll take to clean. So just give it a minute. Alright, there we go. Starting Android. Wow, that was like, what, 5 minutes? Alright, there you go. Phone's factory reset.
That's awesome.